everybody, welcome back to another trunk club unboxing today. I'm Shawna and I got this humongous box again. It's super heavy from Trunk Club. I'm really excited to open it. I did actually request something this time. I requested work clothes. I'm working on a project that requires quite a few more on-site visits and my work wardrobe is seriously lacking. And I thought Trunk Club would be perfect because they love to send work clothes and wedding clothes. So I thought it'd be perfect, so that's what I requested. I asked for kind of classic things. They sent me some options and I took out a few things. One, I think Vince Camuto has cute stuff, but it's low quality and overpriced. Is anybody with me on that? I just said, just take them out. I won't want them. They're too expensive and they're always low quality. So I got rid of all those, but I just wanted classic stuff. I needed blazers and slacks and like just shirts that are gonna go with everything. So that's what I think that I got based on what they sent me. So we'll see. Let's open it up, see what I got. Okay, here's my prices. And they send so much stuff that I'm gonna just go try it on in outfits and show you what I got. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the first outfit. Ooh. Okay, so the shirt is by Treasure & Bond, and I'll list all the details down below, and it's $69, and it's really soft, and I really like the style. It's just a little too small. It's a little tight in the shoulders, and it could just be a feature, but not a work feature. So we're gonna leave that. Yeah, there's no way around that action. Not cute. But I do really like it, and $69, that's a decent price. It's really soft, and I like the cut of it. I might consider getting it just in a bigger size. I like the black, it's fun. Okay, and the skirt, tell me what you guys are thinking and feeling about the pleated skirt look. I haven't gone there. I do like a midi. It's really soft, it's lined, it's by J. Crew. It's $110. And I think that's a lot. They sell these in a lot of places. You can tell it's really good fabric. It's really pretty. Is it work? Do you guys wear pleated? I mean, is this work appropriate these days with some like loafers or heels or something like that? I mean, it's a cute skirt. Can you guys see it okay? I kind of like a flowy skirt. I don't know if I want to spend $110 on a flowy skirt. I think $110 should be saved for like a real classic piece, and I'm not sure a pleated skirt is it. But tell me what you think. If you think it's spectacular, maybe I should reconsider. Okay, yeah, close on these. I like them both, but I'm not sure they're the ones. All right, let me go try on the next outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the next outfit, and the blazer is just a classic black blazer. This is exactly what I was talking about as far as like classic things, because they'll just stand the test of time. And I think this is a great blazer. It's a Twill blazer by 1901. And it's spendy, it's $139, which I think you can get cheaper blazers. I just saw like a J. Crew one at Nordstrom Rack, and I think it was 80 bucks. And I'm not sure this is that much better than that, but it is, you can tell it's really high quality. It's nice and thick. I think it fits great. Do blazers have to button? Is that a rule? Is it weird that they don't? Because you never button a blazer, but should it? Like, does it look too small? Because if I got bigger, I think the arms definitely would be too long. Okay, so then this shirt is also by 1901, and I think similarly to the other one, it's a little tight in the arms, and it's a little gappy. Not nearly as bad as the last one though. But I do like this shirt. It has some stretch to it. It's just a little tight in the arms. I know I got some muscles making it all tight, but just kidding. It's yeah, it's just a little tight in the arms and shoulders. Ugh, but I really like it. My cats are deciding to be part of the video. Okay, but, oh, let me tell you how much these are. So the shirt is $69 and these black pants are $79, and I am really liking these. I just have tried on some black trousers recently and didn't like any of them. So that I put these on and I do like them is kind of amazing. And I think they look good. They have stretch. So they might be like a little tight on the rear right now, but they'll definitely stretch out. I think the length isn't bad. I'll either need to put them on with heels or hem them a little bit, but not terrible. And just because I tend to want to wear loafers or flats or something like that, and not heels. But I do like them, and they're not unreasonably priced. They are, it's by Halogen, and they're $79. And I mean, I think that's pretty good for a nice pair of black trousers. Also, although they're not big, they do have little pockets here. And all the ones that I tried on from White House Black Market, they were faux pockets, and they were stitched, and just trying them on made me crazy. I was like, I just want to put my hands in my pockets. Which is, maybe it makes it look worse though, like they stick out, but I didn't think so. Let me know what you think. I think these are nice. I like them. I hate spending $79 and then having to spend money into hem, but I think that's just the way of the world. Okay, I will go try on my next outfit and be right back. Okay, so the next outfit includes this Gibson blazer, and tell me what you guys think about this, because this is new to me. I tend to really like a collar, and it has this notched collar, and I'm not quite sure how to wear it. I think maybe just a collared shirt would be better. But I really like that it's kind of knit, and so it's stretchy and soft, but it also has a really nice lining. So sometimes I think knit blazers are like too much sweatshirty and they lose their shape and they're just a little too casual for work. But this has a really nice lining, a little polka dot lining to it that I think is really cute. And I think it fits well. It's $98. That's a lot, but it's cute. But I'm not sure if I'm wearing it right or if it's me. Tell me what you think about the blazer. I think it fits well. You can wear it kind of rolled. It has a little cutout, rolled or down. So I think it's nice. Okay, so I got this shirt from White House Black Market. It was on the sale rack for $30. So this was a total find, I think. And it's like a little old school t-shirt, but I like it. Okay, so the pencil skirt, I mean, it's about the most comfortable skirt I've ever put on. It's all stretch, it's by Halogen, and it is a screaming deal. It's $59. I might have to get this, and I really like the black pants too. Ooh, I haven't even tried everything on yet. Okay, I really like this skirt. Again, it's super stretchy. I think it fits great. It's flattering. It's $59. Like, this is a classic thing, you know, item in my wardrobe. What do you think? Just needs, I think it could go with heels. I think it could go with ballet flats. Thoughts? Okay, I have a couple more things. I'll be right back. Okay, talk about classic. Look at this sweater, camel, cashmere, Halogen sweater. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so expensive. It's 98 bucks, but it's cashmere, and it is truly like a classic sweater, right? Just put it on with any slacks, put it for work, put it for dinner. It's just so cute. And the pants are, it's hard to tell, but they're navy, and they're cropped. They're by J. Crew, and they're like $62.50. So a really good price for these pants. I think this outfit is adorable. Fake pockets, ugh. but they're still so cute. I like the length on these. I've had some weird lengths, but these look good because they're right above the ankle. Tell me, do you think they're tight on the booty, or do you think they're gonna stretch out? Because they do have some stretch to them. They're feeling snug on the booty, but then I feel like they might stretch out a little bit. And because, I mean, work, it's okay to wear it tight on the booty when you're like going out, but at work you don't want to really be showing it so much. These have a fun seam down the back, and I just think they're really seem good quality, and it's really cute with this sweater, and they're a good price. This is a cute outfit, but can I justify the money? All right, last outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, the last thing, I just left my sweater on with it, and these are charcoal trousers by NYDJ. They're $119, but let me tell you, they are yoga pants disguised as trousers. These are like putting butter on. They are so stretchy and comfortable and kind of hug in all the right places. They're a little bit long, so again, probably need a hem. The only thing I'm a little worried about is that there's a little bit of looseness here, and so I'm worried that they'd stretch out a little bit and I'd be like pulling them up. They haven't done it yet, but like with wear, they might stretch and start to slide down, and then I'd be like rolling them or trying to figure that out. But they're real high-waisted, which is kind of fun. So soft and comfy, and like, tell me what you guys think. I think they look good. Are they worth $119? I don't know. All right, well, let's review here in just a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, all in all, I think that Trunk Club did an amazing job on this box. I really loved everything. Not all the fits were perfect, but that's totally to be expected. So here's what I think I'm narrowing it down to, but I need your help. So I really loved the J. Crew navy cropped pants. The price was good. They looked really cute on. Were they too tight? Are they gonna stretch out a little bit and be a little less fitted? I really love the pencil skirt. Again, the price was good. The fit was great, super comfy, super classic. Oh, the cashmere sweater, so classic, so beautiful. I would really love this to be part of my wardrobe, but can I justify $98 right now? I don't know. Okay, then it comes down to the pants. I really liked the black pants. I think they're really classic by Halogen, and I really liked the gray pants as well, but I'm really nervous about them stretching out and sliding down. So the gray pants are probably a no. Okay, so here's the shirts were too tight, and the pleated skirt was adorable, but I just am not sure that that's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, tell me about the blazers. This is where I'm stuck. The black blazer was cute. I think I can get a similar quality one at Nordstrom Rack and be a little bit better price. What about the gray one? I'm not gonna say it's unique, but it's unique to me, and it's pretty neat. I'm not totally sure it fills a gap in my wardrobe. Tell me what you think. Would you not get any blazers? Would you splurge for the gray blazer? All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please comment and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post new videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have a great one. We'll see you next time. Bye.